Hey everyone, in this session let's understand why we should learn NumPy. NumPy is a very powerful package for scientific computing in Python. The full form of NumPy is numeric Python. So it gives us flexibility to perform numerical analysis using Python. NumPy offers functionality to perform operations on multi-dimensional arrays or matrices. High performance and memory efficient operations are the keys for its popularity. It is a mandatory library to know for data science and machine learning engineers. Let's see an example to understand the high performance and memory efficiency of NumPy package. In order to store a collection of integers, we can either use NumPy array or we can use our usual Python list. But if you see in this picture, for NumPy array, all the items will be stored in a contiguous way within our computer memory. But for Python list, there is no contiguous memory allocation to store the items. Hence, we need to keep the address of each and every item in order to access them. So you can clearly understand for Python list, we need to store the items as well as address of each and every items. For NumPy array, only the initial address of the whole array would be sufficient to access all the items stored within an array, and that is the reason it is memory efficient. As all the items are in contiguous memory location, all the operations on top of these items will have high performance. Now let's understand how can we install NumPy in our machine. Using pip, we can write pip install NumPy in order to install NumPy package in our machine. To use NumPy in our source code, we have to import the package using import keyword. Let's visit the official website of NumPy. Notice NumPy is the fundamental package for scientific computing with Python. They have listed down the key features of NumPy as well. It has powerful n-dimensional array, numerical computing tool, performant, easy to use functions to work with n-dimensional arrays. Let's see what is the recommended way to install NumPy in our machine. Using pip, we can write pip install NumPy to install it in our machine. Apart from this, you have a detailed documentation on NumPy as well. You can go through it and understand the whole package in detail. Hope you have acquired enough motivation to start learning NumPy. From our next session onwards, we will see how can we create multi-dimensional arrays with the help of NumPy package and perform complex operations on top of them. Thanks a lot for watching this video.